2024 Range Rover Evoque, Release Date, Price, Specs, Features. The 2024 Range Rover Evoque is a subcompact SUV that comes with 2-row seats with a total seating capacity of up to 5 people. And now it is likely that the next Range Rover Evoque will be redesigned for the 2024 model year as the third generation of Range Rover Evoque. And also the new Range Rover Evoque will have an all-new fully electric trim with a long range of up to 300 miles. And it is expected that the next Range Rover Evoque 2024 will have more interior space with comfortable seating, and also will offer a more luxurious interior. According to media reports, the new Range Rover Evoque Electric will be based on the EMA platform, which is also called the Electrified Modular Architecture. On this platform, Land Rover Range Rover will build its first fully electric SUV Range Rover Evoque, which will be available in 2024. So if you want to know everything about the new Range Rover Evoque, then you must read this article till the end. Because in this article, we will learn everything about the next Range Rover Evoque. For example, we will know when it will be available to order, how much the price will be, how many miles can go its electric trim on a single charge, as well as we will know much more information about it. 2024 Range Rover Evoque Release Date. The exact release date of the next-gen Range Rover Evoque is not declared yet by Range Rover. But according to media reports, the new Range Rover Evoque could be available in the spring of 2024. However, we will come back soon when it will be available to order. So don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Twitter. 2024 Range Rover Evoque Price. According to media reports, the new Range Rover Evoque will be more expensive than before. But right now its exact pricing is not declared. So we will update this article as soon as possible when Land Rover declares its exact pricing for the 2024 model year. However, the currently available 2023 Range Rover Evoque price starts at $46,175, which goes up to $56,475 for its top trim. 2024 Range Rover Evoque Engine, Power, Performance. According to Wattcar, the next-gen Range Rover Evoque won't have any purely gasoline or diesel engine. Instead, the next Range Rover Evoque will have a hybrid or plug-in hybrid variant from the entry label of the Evoque. And also, it is likely that the next-gen Range Rover Evoque PHEV model will have a long electric range of likely 60 miles. Whereas the currently available 2023 P300e plug-in hybrid model gives a fully electric range of only 34 miles. And the all-electric version of the Range Rover Evoque's battery and electric motor configuration is not available right now. But it is likely that its all-electric variants will be capable to give a long electric range of up to 300 miles on a single full charge. 2024 Range Rover Evoque Interior. Right now, Land Rover has not revealed information about its interior and exterior details. But according to expectations, it seems that Land Rover will fix its interior space problem from its current generation Evoque. And we hope that the new 2024 Range Rover Evoque will have more interior space with more cargo space like its other rival Volvo XC40, BMW X1, and Mercedes-Benz GLB class. So this new Range Rover Evoque 2024 will be wider and longer than the current generation. As well as it will have more cargo space with more legroom and headroom. And also it is likely that it will have the latest infotainment system with modern and futurist connectivity and tech features. More information about the next-gen Range Rover Evoque is not available right now. So we promise that we will update this article as soon as possible when Land Rover will release all information about it. Like 2024 Range Rover Evoque Pros and Cons. Motor, Power, Performance. Range, Battery Capacity, Charging Time. MPG. Safety Features. Infotainment and Connectivity Features. Specifications. Dimensions. 2024 Range Rover Evoque Specs. Trim N/A. Model 2024. Body Style SUV. Seating Capacity 5. Engine N/A. Power N/A. Torque N/A. Transmission N/A. Drivetrain N/A. 0 to 60 miles per hour time N/A. 2024 Range Rover Evoque dimensions. Length N/A. Width N/A. Height N/A. Wheelbase N/A. Ground clearance N/A. Curb weight N/A. 2024 Range Rover Evoque interior dimensions. Headroom, front/rear, N/A. Legroom, front/rear, N/A. Shoulder room, front/rear, N/A. Hip room, front/rear, N/A. Passenger volume N/A. Cargo volume N/A. Official website Land Rover USA. Conclusion. In this article, we have known about the next Range Rover Evoque. Like the 2024 Range Rover Evoque release date, price, specs, interior, platform, engine, power, performance, and other important information which is available right now. So we hope this article will be helpful for you. If yes, then must share it with your friends and family. Thank you.